Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable the WooCommerce shop related products bar on WordPress Blocksy. Alright, so let's scroll down here and we have our related products. So we have, well, our listing is bicycle gloves yellow as an example, pink, gold, helmet, and a complimentary ticket to Missouri. So how do we configure this? Alright, really easy. Let's go ahead and enter the WordPress customizer here on the top toolbar. Let's click on customize, and that should take us to the WordPress customizer. Okay, we'll scroll down here on the preview and we can see our related products. We can either click on edit, right? Or we can scroll down here on our menu, and under WooCommerce, we have a single product and we have our page structure and stuff like that. We'll scroll down and we can see related and upsells. Now we can disable this and it won't appear. And if we toggle it open, it should appear. All right. So let's go ahead and configure this a little bit. And we have some options over here. We can change the columns and rows, right? And you can see we make it 2 by 2, make it 4, right? And we can enable or disable this on our mobile version. So we're here on our mobile version. If we enabled it on our mobile version, we get something here, right? And you can see we have the option here as well. And we'll just enable it on all of them just so we can see. We can also change the design. We can change the title color for the module, which is just this, right? Red. And then we can change the font, something simple like that. And we can change the font size and so on. And we can go ahead and click on publish. And we'll wait for that to save. Okay, with that saved, let's go ahead and refresh our site, and you can see our related products area group has now changed. So there's how you set it up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.